this video, we are going to learn how to solve problems involving statistics for your WASSCE Maths. So guys, we have 7 repeated questions to practice with in this video. Let's get started. For the purpose of this video, I'll be solving most of the problems we see here with the calculator, with the scientific calculator to be precise, which is allowed for a WASSCE Maths. Now if you want to learn how to solve these statistics problems manually, I already have a video on it in this WASSCE Maths playlist. Check it out and watch the video on how to solve statistics problems manually, basically for your theoretical aspect of the WASSCE Maths. You'll be good to go. So for this video, to save time, we'll be practicing with the scientific calculator. Alright, so let's get started with this question 1. It says the variance of a given distribution is 25. What is the standard deviation? So for this question, it's very cheap. Okay, so standard deviation is simply the square root of the variance. So square root of 25 is what? 5. The right option to this question is option C. Okay, so that's it for this question. The next question will be this one. It says the table below gives the distribution of marks obtained by the number of pupils in a class test. Use the information to answer this question. The mode of the distribution is what? So mode is highest frequency, right? Highest occurring frequency. So from here we have the first row to be the marks, the second row to be the frequency. Okay, distribution. So the highest occurring frequency here will be the third mark, because at mark 3 we're having 18 of it, so the frequency is 18. So the right answer to this question is option B, which is what? 3 is the highest occurring frequency. Okay, the mode of the distribution is 3. That's it for this question. The next question will be this one. It says the table shows the ages and years of 20 children chosen at random from a community. Use the information provided to answer this question. What is the mean age? So let's solve this, guys, with the calculator. So this is a calculator. We're going to use statistics mode on a calculator to solve this problem under mean. So the very first thing to do will say to put in default mode. To say press shift button 9 for the instructions, press 3, press equal to, and press equal to again. So right now let's turn on the frequency table on this calculator, because we're going to make use of the frequency table. To turn it on, press shift this mode button. So when you get here, you navigate down to here, option 4 for start, press 4. So you see frequency 1 to turn it on. So it's now on. Go to mode, then statistics option 3. So now when you get here, go for one variable statistics option 1. So the frequency is now on. So our x will be the age and number of children will be the frequency. So let's impute the x value, that's the age in years. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, so let's go to the frequency column. So when x is 1, we have the frequency is 2. Then when x is 2, frequency is what? 3. When x is 3, frequency is what? 5. When x is 4, frequency is what? 6. When x is 5, frequency is what? 4. So we are good to go. As you're imputing the value, they are being stored on the calculator automatically. So let's press SD now to find what we have to find. Now to find the mean, press shift and this one button under it says start on top of it. So we want to find the mean, right? So to find the mean, you need to press option 4 for these variables. So press 4. When you get here, we are looking for the mean. Mean is something as bar x. Okay, this option 3 here is for the standard deviation. This is for population standard deviation. This one here is for the sample standard deviation. This option 4 is for sample standard deviation. This option 3 is for population standard deviation. This option 2 is for mean by x. So press 2. Okay, so press equal to see the mean. We have it for 3.35. So right option is option A, 3.35. Yeah, so that's it for this question. Let's look at the next question, which is this one. So it says the table gives the distribution of outcomes obtained when a die was rolled 100 times. What is the experimental probability that it shows at most 4 when rolled again? So let's calculate and solve this. Very simple. So for this question, let's remove this from start modes. Let's put this mode option 1. Okay, so at most means values from 1 to 4, whereas at least would have been values from 4 to 6. So always note the difference. Most will be values from 1 to 4. Had it been the ask at least, it would have been values from 4 to 6. So at most now it will be, we have 18, number of die 1, 18, plus number of die at 2 is 14. So number of die at 1, the frequency is 18, number of die at 2, frequency is 14. Then we have plus number of die at 3, frequency is 20. Then plus number of die at 4, frequency is 16. Okay, over total number of frequencies. That's how you can do this. Plus 14 plus 20 plus 16 plus 15 plus 17. So that's all, guys. We are good to go. Let's press equal to now to see the output. So we have it to be what? 17 over 25. So the right option is option A. Okay, so that's it for this question. The next repeated question will be this one. So guys, before I attempt this question, if you are new to this channel, ensure that you are subscribed to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of these videos. Really appreciate it. One more thing, guys, I have a separate channel called Castle Calculator, where I record videos mainly on calculator technique. So when you get there, you see uploaded some WASSCE Maths videos. I recorded about 100 of them. There you see deeper questions on statistics problems I saw with the calculator. I'm going to leave the link to that channel in the description of this video below. So check the description of this video. You see the link to the channel to take it there. Watch those WASSCE Maths videos, including statistics videos. You'll be glad you did. Okay, so having known this, let's solve this question. It says find the mode of the distribution for this table. So mode is highest occurring frequency. So what's the highest occurring frequency here? So it has to be 3 again. So Mark 3 has highest frequency, which is 6. The right option in this question is 3. 3 is the mode of the distribution. The next question will be this one. It says the bar chart shows the frequency distribution of marks scored by students in a class test. Use the bar chart to answer this question. How many students are in the class? So this is the marks, this is the number of students. So Mark 1 has 6 students. So Mark 2 has 8 students. Mark 3 has 6 students as well. Mark 4 has 5 students. So when you trace it is 5. So from here we can deduce that number of students in the class would be 6 plus this 8, that's 14. 14 plus 6, 20. 20 plus 5, 25. So the right option is option D. So that's it for this question. The last question before I end this video will be this one. It says the table shows the distribution of height of plants in nursery. Calculate the height. Calculate the mean height of the plant. So let's get a calculator and solve it again using the frequency and the height column. Let's bring the calculator. So for this question, let's reset to remove the previous values we have stored to do the spread shift button. Now full instruction, press 3, press equal and press equal again. So let's turn on the frequency column again, press shift mode, navigate down. Okay, under the start, press 1. Okay, it's now on. Go to modes, then statistics option 3, one variable statistics, then the x column will be the height. We have it to be 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, so the frequency column will be, so when x is 2, the frequency is 2. When x is 3, frequency is 4. Okay, when x is 4, the frequency is 5. When x is 5, the frequency is 3. When x is 6, the frequency is what? 1. So we are good to go. Now let's solve this. Values are stored. Okay, the mean height of the plan is what we are looking for. To get the mean height, press shift this one button, option 4 for variable, then mean is for option 2 by x is equal to, so we have it about 3.8. The right option is option C. So this basically can do problems involving statistics for your WASSCE Maths. We dealt with 7 repeated questions for this video. Hope you learned something interesting from this video. Let's go to the video, guys. If you are new to this channel once more, ensure that you are subscribed to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of these videos. Also like, share and comment on this video. Tell me how you feel for what you learned from this video. If you seem to have any specific question to ask regarding what I talked about in this video, feel free to leave a question in the comment section below, and I'll be sure to give you a response. Also ensure that you're part of the channel membership by clicking the join button. You'll be getting premium information that will help you to excel in your external exam, WASSCE and other external exams with writing. So don't forget to check out my Casio calculator tutorial channel. I'm going to leave the link once more in the description on the video below, so check it out. Go to that channel, watch those videos on WASSCE Maths videos I solved using the calculator you did. So don't forget to, once you're done, press shift button 9 for the instructions, press 3, press equal to, and press equal to again. So that's it. Now click next number and I will see you in the next video.